take a box first. So just go at the top, draw. It's done. Just keep it like this. It's fine. Change it to clay. Just like this. Now what I have to do is I take some forces for that and another tyflow. So just take another tyflow. And now I need some force for that. I will use P-bomb. Just place it over there and change this. First, I need the starting time should be this. And 112. So 12. Duration should be around 5 frames. Strength would be, let's start with 15 and just change. Take this indicator, range indicator, and change the range to a bit around. It's perfect. 15 or say 15. Now just make some copies. Change stances in them. Increase the range. That's perfect. Also, I have to change the strength also. So in it, I will just go to 18 on this. I will take 21, 24, and over here 27. And now we are good to go. Let's take tyflow. Now open it, and first what I have to do, I have to take a birth object. Just retrieve this over here. Just only isolate this. So take a birth object first. Let's go birth object and pick this down. F4. Next, what I need a Voronoi fracture. Voronoi fracture. I also forget one thing to do is I have to change these timings first, so it starts with series type effect. Or you can say with the intervals. If I just keep the 112 frame in our starting time in all of these, then it explode at the same time. But I need a variation so that it start from here, and then go to the end. So for that, I will just take a 3 frame gap. So if it is explode at 112, then it will explode at 115. And in this case, let's say 118, I guess. And this 121 and the last 124. Perfect. Now let's back to the tyflow. Open editor, increase the points to around 200 and scale like this, change, then yes, that's perfect. First we need the fractures at this point only, in the middle part only. And now I need physics X shape. Just put it down. I need also particle bind. So I have physics X bind. Physics X bind. Just put it down. And bind breaking, just simply like this. What I have to do now is I have to take a force, drag it down and select them all, and select it. So our explosion will start from here, but it's not happening. Yes, working perfect. And I also need these particles to be fragment more. See the look at this time. So at this point, let's change the loop. I believe is perfect. Now I need a property test. Property test. Drag it down. If you need more chaos, just increase the strength. And over here, just change it to joint. Let's have a look. You can just not use it also. Oh, that's fine for me right now. Yeah, that's good. Now with the help of property rest, I will break the rest of them. So just get out of this first. Just change this color to dark red something. So now at property test, what I have to do is I have to change this type test to velocity magnitude. Just change it to velocity magnitude and just change this to greater than value of 5. And now take a display, check is it affecting or not. Just drag it over here, check it. Now let's try to increase the strength. So just 20 at this point. Strength should be around 25. At this point, let's change it to 30. Now change it to 32 and 35. Let's check. I guess I need to increase the range. So increase this bit more around, that's fine. And now what I need is this, just drag it over here. This time I need blue, also same. So take out Voronoi again. Voronoi fracture. Change the point to around that till will be fine. Also shift and drag it. At this point, I have to just change the gravity about -5. If you need more fractures, so just replicate the same step. Take another property test. Make a copy of this. Put it down. Copy this again. Paste. Change the force, just delete the force. And delete this also. Change it to white. Increase to bit around 10. Just something like this. Change the Voronoi to 5. Now let's see. And I need a slow variation, just and a slow. change it to 30 or something. I believe that will be fine. So there we go. We have the effect now. Just let's go to play mode. We are done with the tyflow thing. Click back to the camera view. There is no camera. Let's have a look. First of all, let's choose this. Height selection. So we have this. I need a camera first, so just let's hit Control Shift, and I don't need the target right now, so let's change this to camera view. Now let's select the camera, hit Auto key, and I need at this point camera to be go forward a bit. Let's say it's like this. And at this point, I need camera and at this point, now make straight 90 degree forward. So what I have is this point. When it hit this, let's drag the camera a bit back. Raise it a bit. And here we have the final effect. So here, just write down this. Now, here we go. So that's the effect. So this is it. What do we have? So thank you very much, guys. If you like the video, please hit like. If you want to have some more contents like this, just subscribe. And what you feel about the video, please comment. And all files which I used over here are in description.